guys? It's Mike Doyle at Century 21, and I'm here in Lake Forest in front of a property we just sold. And I thought I would make a quick video for those of you that, number one, have inheritance properties that you're trying to sell. You know, it's mom's home, dad's home, an old family home, something like that. Or it's a rental property that you haven't lived in a long time, if at all. Now we're inside the home. And obviously, because this property was a rental, it's completely vacant. So what do we need to do to maximize value? And again, to get a buyer to pay as much as possible for the home? Simple answer, staging. This home was in really good condition and had a lot of great natural qualities to it. However, because it was empty, buyers couldn't really get a feel for what was going on inside. So we brought in a bunch of furniture to stage the property. And I'm telling you, the offers and the interest level was through the roof. So if you can, always stage an empty house. When selling a rental property or an inherited property, talk to a realtor before you sell. Now, obviously that seems a little self-serving because I'm a realtor. However, there are going to be tons of investors that will throw lots of cash offers at you. But I will tell you, those are going to be between 15 and 30% below fair market value. So if you really want to get a true value about what your home is worth, especially in today's market, at least first talk to a realtor before you accept any offers from cash investors. I know that closing in 2 weeks, as is sale sounds great, but if you're leaving 50, 75, 100 grand on the table, is it really worth an extra, closing 2 weeks early? Not to me. So again, to wrap it up, the three things we want to do when selling a vacant property that's been inherited or a rental: do all your inspections up front, stage the home if needed, and talk to a realtor about what the true market value is before you accept any offers from an investor. Thanks a lot.